This is part of the railway that I'm on. Can you hear the jungle? So this is the Death Railway. You can see, this is it. The Hellfire Pass is what it's called. And this is it. 200,000 Allied soldiers worked on this path. They cut through the rock with pretty much handmade tools. And many, many died during the process in the POW camps. Holy. Wow. They carved from the sides here. I can't believe I'm lucky again to be here by myself. Like, seriously? You can see still the wood from the railway. Imagine carving from up there all the way down here to make the railway to transfer goods and supplies to bomb your people. That's what they had to do. Many tried to sabotage it. There's stories on my thingy that I've been listening to. But if they were caught in the sabotaging, they were immediately killed. Some more here. I'm going to listen to my thingy here right away. Broken compression drill. Obviously from digging through the wall. So this is Hellfire Pass, just north of Canterbury. I took a tour to come here because it's very far from the city. But there you go. And there's the ending of it. So Hellfire Pass. And look, Kelsey, I have it the right way now too, hey? I enjoy the hints because I don't know what I'm doing yet. And there's the tiles still. You can see. Flags. Memorials. Hellfire Pass. So here we go. So then it goes the other side. Burma Thailand Railway, 1942 to 1945, in remembrance of those who suffered and to all those who died. I'm with a tour. If I wasn't with a tour, I would continue down the path. I would go the whole way, but I'm in a tour that I took off from, so I'm going to wait here for them to show back up. Everyone's so slow. I'm fast. Screw the going slow. But yeah, so there's little lookout points I'm going to go up, obviously. But there it is, Hellfire Pass.